Some voices heal and some voices redefine the future.
Voices can build nations, spark revolutions, and turn ideas into change. And today, every voice here matters.
Because today, voices will lead.
Greetings, everyone. I am Ananya,
And I'm Sanchita.
and every year on Founders Day, we bring the Oratory Conclave because we believe voices deserve a stage, opinions deserve a platform, and expression deserves to be celebrated.
This is the Oratory Conclave 2025.
And you are watching this event on TTS 360 Beyond the Headlines. The Oratory Conclave 2025 stands on a foundation of expression. And this year's theme is beautifully divided up into three powerful categories, each giving voices a different space to shine.
The first category, that is Category A, is Battle of Minds, which is an inter-school debate competition for classes 9 to 12 on the topic, Is Artificial Intelligence a Threat or Tool for Humanity?
Category B, Voices of Verse. It's the inter-school poetry recitation for classes 6 to 8. The theme choices are Dreams and Aspirations or Courage and Determination.
Category C, Echoes of Eloquence, which is an elocution competition for classes 3 to 5, and the topic choices are My Vision for a Better World or If I Could Invent a Gadget.
3 expressions, 3 styles, but one message. Every voice deserves to be heard.
Now let's head to the stage.
And catch up with the action right from the beginning of the event.
It is my great pleasure, as the president of the Trinity Wisdom Academy Welfare and Cultural Society, to say a few words on the occasion of this Tribhuvan Memorial Oratory Conclave 2025. This conclave recalls the contribution of my late father, Tribhuvan Prasad Singh, in academic excellence and perfection of oratorical skills. So bring out your best, your preparation, your speaking ability, and your passion. Honor the spirit of this memorial and honor yourselves by not debating to merely win, but to eliminate. My own experience is that when I went for my education to Delhi, people really made fun of me, saying, "Oh, here comes the Patna boy pretending to speak in English." They were somewhat surprised that I not only spoke in English, but very soon came to be known perhaps as one of the finest debaters of the Delhi University, representing Delhi University both nationally and internationally. So as I end, let me just say, come forward the Patna boys and show your great debating skills and the future which lies ahead of you. Thank you very much.
Ma'am, how do you think teamwork among teachers drives the success of events like this?
Needless to say, teamwork is the mantra. Mantra meaning to say that, not one person, not two person, but the entire team along with the rest of the members also of the other faculties also, we need to be together. Number one. Number two, each one of us, like we are different English teachers, each one of us has different contributions to make, whether it is a matter of content, intonation, voice modulation, the body, the posture that is to be maintained. So we together contribute to that. Moreover, a collective responsibility shows, it creates that positive atmosphere and my speaker feels good.
What skill do you believe that our students will take beyond the stage and into their lives?
Well, I believe they'll continue this dedication and determination ahead in future.
They get the variety of ideas from the other school as well, and when they sit for the competition, of course they are going to get good ideas to speak in front of people, and it gives them motivation also. So this is the sort of thing they get.
According to you, what turns a good speaker into a great speaker?
I think it's pure confidence. It's pure confidence that turns a good speaker into a great speaker.
As a member of the TTS family, how do you feel after seeing so many schools under one roof today?
It is impeccable. It is a great feat to see so many participants, so many young minds, young brains working together, participating. I think the number is increasing, and we're very glad to host them this morning.
How does an event like this align with the values and vision of our school?
Let wisdom prevail. This is the motto of our school.
Yes.
And with this in mind, we give a platform through this oratory conclave to all the participants and the children from Patna, so that they get a platform where they can become confident speakers and be leaders in the future.
Do you enjoy speaking on stage, or is this stepping out of your comfort zone?
I usually enjoy speaking on the stage. It gives me confidence and helps me improve my speaking skills usually.
And what excites you the most about speaking on stage?
Probably today's topic, artificial intelligence. I'm
Oh.
usually good at that.
The results are now going to be announced on stage by the event hosts, and we're right here for you to capture every moment.
I request the escort teacher to please walk up on the stage.
And with that, the Oratory Conclave 2025 comes to a remarkable close.
This is TTS 360 Beyond the Headlines.
Signing off, I'm Sanchita.
And I am Ananya. See you next time.